Vlogmas Day 1.
What is up, you guys? I am super excited that it is officially Vlogmas. This is my first year doing Vlogmas, so I'm super excited to see how it goes. I'm not exactly sure how it will, considering that I do still work a full-time job, so I'm just gonna try to do it in between. Some vlogs may be combined, some may be shorter, so hopefully I will have some fun things going on in December. I know I have my Christmas party, my boyfriend's Christmas party, we have family things, so hopefully I can get a lot for you guys during Vlogmas. But today I do have a little bit of a busy day. I am off today, so I'm going to go out and meet up with one of my best friends, Amy, and we are going to go shopping because we do work at the same place. So our Christmas party is coming up soon, so we're gonna go shopping for that. Then I'm gonna go meet up with another friend and get my nails done, and then I have to stop at my mom's. So a lot of places to be running around to today, and I will take you all along. So I figured I would show you guys my outfit really quick just before I run out of the house, because I'm supposed to be meeting her at 11 and it is 10:47, but thank goodness we are both running late today. But this is my outfit, something simple. So this shirt I got at Marshall's, but it is called activity wear. And then I have my Can jeans on, which are one of my all-time favorite jeans. They fit like a glove and they are just amazing and so comfortable. I don't remember where my belt is from, but I know it came in a pack of 3. And then my shoes are from Ross, but they are the brand Indigo RD. And then this is my purse I got at TJ Maxx, and it is by the brand Babe. And that is pretty much my whole outfit. And then bracelets are Alex and Ani. Earrings are Target, and then my necklace, it has Jason and I's anniversary date on it. So that was personally made. I don't remember where it's from. I believe Etsy, but I'm not exactly sure. But that is my outfit for the day, and I'm going to run out the door. So I just made it to my nail place. I have an appointment at 3, and oh my goodness, I'm so excited to get these done. They look so bad and are so grown out. I've actually cracked 2 of them, and I've cracked one of the cracked ones twice and had to re-glue it. So I'm super excited to finally get these bad boys done. Oh, I'm so happy to see you guys too. Oh, get down. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to see you guys too. Hello, hello. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Hi. Hello, hello. Are we excited? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hi, kitty. Ooh. You love the Christmas tree, don't you? Alright, out with the old. This one is completely gone. We've only had it for a week, and it is down to where it won't even burn anymore. So, in with the new. So I keep these single wicked ones from Bath & Body Works in Jason and I's room just to kind of help it smell good. And this has to be one of my favorites for this Christmas season. It smells so good. I love it so much. What? Do you want up here? Huh? Do you want up here? Okay. Say hello. Say hello. You're so precious. You're such a sweet girl, aren't you? Yes, you are. Thank you. Alright, so I finally made it back home. I have been out of the house since 11 o'clock until... Sorry if you can hear my dog. She got in trouble because she decided to chew up one of my shoes. So... she's in her bed right now, but it is 6:45, so I just got home not too long ago. I was out all day, but my nails are finally fixed. Well, you shouldn't have chewed up my shoe, but my nails are finally fixed. They are so cute. Let me turn the camera on, I'll show you guys. They are so cute. I am in love with them, and they match the outfit I got for my Christmas party perfectly. My nail girl always does such an amazing job. I'm never ever disappointed in the work that she does, but so happy to finally have them done. What are you doing? You want to say hello to the vlog? Are you hiding behind me? But we have some friends coming over tonight, so I'm gonna kind of just straighten up the house and get things in order and to kind of make it look nice. I usually try to keep my house pretty clean 24/7, but I definitely want to organize, but I have a couple things I wanted to show you guys. You want to come help me? Come on. Say hello. Oh, I'm trying to get you guys a good angle. Okay. Are you gonna help me? I don't have much to show you, but I have a little bit. No, shh. So the first thing is my mom got me this countdown. You know you're in your way. Jingle. Yes, I love you too. You guys sit down. So I told my mom I was wanting a Christmas countdown, so she got me this one. I'm super excited. I'll probably add a clip at the beginning of this vlog with this cute little guy in it, and it'll probably be in the vlog each time, like when the days count down. So super cute. So I'm excited about that. And then I got Jason and I, because we were talking about doing matching Christmas pajamas, so I got us matching elf Christmas pants. Look how cute, and they say on them son of a nutcracker. So I'm super excited about these. They're so cute. He has no idea yet, so can't wait to show him. Super excited. So I'm not quite sure how much footage I got today. I really didn't film when I was out, just because I was catching up with 2 different friends at 2 different times, so it was just kind of nice to enjoy the moment and hang out with people, and especially not having a camera in their face. So I was just super excited to just have some time with them and not have to worry about it. So I didn't get too much footage of me out and about, but I figured I would start to kind of just like finish up the vlog and just kind of clean up and show you guys that. Anybody else have this problem in their purse? I have like so many lipsticks and lip liners hidden in here because of work. I just throw them in my purse and they never find their way out, and then I wonder where they all go. So it's time to put them all back. Here's my ever so wonderful shoe that I now have to throw away. I left her alone for 5 minutes and she chewed it up.